So today we are embarking on a boat to go check out some whales real up close.
We are waking up especially early this morning because we're joining the team from Whale Watch Kaikoura, so after watching a quick whale documentary, we are hopping on the bus.
Early morning bus journey, that's the best one.
Sunrise bus journey.
The bus journey is really short though, and it's a stunning one since the sun is slowly rising. As soon as we arrive on the harbour, we are giving our tickets to the lady and are hopping onto the beautiful boat. It's an absolutely amazing catamaran which has been purposely built for whale watching, and this one right here is Tohora. It's basically a private cinema. We have leather seats, beautiful huge screen and commentaries from one of the staff which are telling us all about the whales around, but we are here for the marine wildlife.
Hey, it might not be whales, but we're super stoked to be seeing some dusky dolphins, and these are the most common types of dolphins found in the Kaikoura area. They're super playful and they're really giving us a show. They're jumping out of the water and they're really attracted to the boats as well. We spent about 5 to 10 minutes taking heaps and heaps of photos of these amazing dolphins. We could stay here with the dolphins all day because they're not really going anywhere, but the team from Whale Watch Kaikoura are reminding us that we are here for the whales, and there are some whales up ahead, so we're getting back into the vessel and speeding on.
Sadly, the whale that our captain had spotted was on the last breath at the surface of the water and is now back underwater. So we need to use the latest technologies to find more whales to get to check out. Because sperm whales use sound waves and clicks created by the spermaceti oil in their head to communicate and stun prey, we can use a sound wave detector to find out the rough location of where they are and where they might pop out to the surface. And that's exactly what our captain is doing right now. However, it cannot hear anything right now, but while we're here we get to check out more wildlife. There is some beautiful albatross. You can't really go too far away from the wildlife when you are somewhere in Kaikoura. And still no sign of whales. We are currently following one, but not sure where and when it's going to pop out.
What do we want? Whales. When do we want them? Now.
And just as Laura is getting impatient, we finally spot our first sperm whale.
Everyone on the boat is super excited as we can start to see the first sprays on the horizon coming from the whale's blowhole. We get in for a closer look to see this huge ocean giant. It's one of the it is the largest toothed predator in the world, and you can just see parts of its body coming out of the water at this angle. But the most impressive part is when the tail comes up and it goes in for its deep ocean dive.
Seeing a beautiful, huge sperm whale so close was absolutely amazing, but our captain is not done just yet. He really wants to find us more whales to check out, so he brings up the tech again and find in no time another sperm whale resting at the surface. After feeding at the bottom of the Kaikoura Canyon for about 45 minutes, each whale goes back to the surface to breathe and rest for about 10 to 15 minutes, which gives us plenty of time to observe them. It's absolutely fascinating to see them just slowly float at the surface and slowly breathe. It's really cool, and it gives us so much time to check them out before seeing the beautiful fluke that they are showing us before plunging all the way to the bottom of the canyon again. The world famous Kaikoura Canyon is what attracts all the whales in the area. It creates a massive current with ton of food and sediment for those whales, and this is why we saw so many of them today. It is basically one of the best feeding grounds in the southern hemisphere for sperm whales.
As we are watching our third whale of the day, we actually get an amazing view of the fluke patch which is left behind by the whale when it dives into the water. We get super up close to this circular placid water which shows that the whale is pretty much diving vertically right down into the ocean. It's something that I had no idea happened when whales dive, so it's a really awesome thing to check out. Believe it or not, this is not our final whale of the day. We have time to check out one more whale which the captain can see on the horizon. We speed towards the whale while the narrator is giving us commentary the whole time. And the really cool thing about the narrator giving us commentary is that he can tell us the best time to take the perfect photo of the whale diving into the water and slowly lifting its whale fluke. It's the perfect shot that everyone wants to get. The slow dive of the whale just emphasizes how giant these sperm whales are. They're about 12 meters long as adults, and we're just left in awe of these amazing ocean giants. We've got so many photos of them today. Our cameras are absolutely full to the brim. There is absolutely no memory left. And now we're heading back onto the Whale Watch Kaikoura bus and back to base.
So this morning, can you hear the microphone or not? Okay, I'm just gonna wait a minute. Okay. Alright, so this morning